very expansive in many ways. You'll see in a minute that steam is rising off the crater lake. The highest point is the summit just over here, which is actually quite easy to get to, thanks to the number of ski lifts that they put in. There's one over on the top of the ski field that we were looking at, and Tupaca Pumpers ahead of the helicopter, and either way you can take a ski lift up to the top and then just continue the walk a little bit further.
Alright.
Right in the distance you can see Mount Taranaki, just on the western coast there.
I'm sitting on the toolbox, oh, and I'm so glad I'm not in school, boss. So glad I'm not in school.
So just down here, this is the crater lake with the steam rising up off it.
So this is the centre of the volcano, is it?
That's the centre of the volcano. Active, that water is at 20 degrees centigrade at the moment. It does change a little bit, we can check. They used to swim in it, but the chemical composition tends to make it not such a good idea these days. A couple of people just on the ridge line, just on the far side of the crater there.
Oh yeah. Wow.
Audio scale.
Back to the car park on Tongariro, on Tura ski field, this one. When we land, it just takes me 2 minutes just to cool down the engine, and then I'll stop the rollerblades. I hope you enjoyed your flight.
Yeah, it was fantastic.